Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain and analyze Scandinavian defense chess rep. I am going to explain 1 to 6 chapter. This is part 3 video. Okay, let's start with chapter 1. Okay, how to white wins by checkmate in 9 moves. Okay, this is chapter 1. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. First move e4, king's pawn opening. Another move d5, Scandinavian defense. Next move e cross f5. Okay, cut the black pawn by white pawn. Then knight go to f6. So another move of white, bishop go to b5 and beautiful check. Scandinavian defense, modern variation. Next move is bishop go to d7. Then bishop cross d7. Then queen cross d7. Knight c3. Oh, defend the pawn now. Then knight cross d5 and knight cross d5. Then queen cross d5. White queen go to f3. Okay, now attack the queen. Queen go to c4. Okay, we can see right now how to white wins by checkmate. Okay, next move. Queen cross b7. Now white wins by checkmate in 2 moves. Okay, next move is queen go to c6. This is big blunder because you can see right now one move queen c8 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. That's why white wins by checkmate. Okay, this is chapter 1. We can go now chapter 2. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2. Why white resign in 10 moves? Why white resign in 10 moves? Okay, let's start with e4 chapter 2 video. e4, king's pawn opening, d5, Scandinavian defense. Then e cross d5, knight f6, knight c3, e6, d cross e6, bishop cross e6, d4, knight b4. Now pin the knight. We can see right now another move. Knight go to f3. Then beautiful castling make black. Okay. Another move of fight. Bishop go to d2. Okay. Black the pin. And rook e8. Okay. Next move is knight go to g5. Okay. Another move. Bishop cross c3. Cut the knight. And bishop cross c3. Then bishop g4 and beautiful check. Okay. This time only way bishop e2 and black the check. Then rook cross e2. That's it. White resign. Because white can do anything. If move like this, the check here and cut the rook and cut the queen. That's why white resigned this. Okay, this is chapter 2. We can go now chapter 3. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 3. Why white resign in 10 moves? Okay, let's start with e4, king's pawn opening, d5, Scandinavian defense, e cross d5, knight f6, Scandinavian defense, modern variation, then d4, knight cross d5, c4, knight b4, queen a4 and beautiful check. Another move of black, knight h c6, then a3, knight a6. Okay, knight a6. Another move d5. Now attack the knight white 4. Okay, then knight c5. Okay, attack the queen black knight and queen d5 b5. Then d cross c6. Okay, then d cross c6. Attack the queen. Knight. Cut the knight white pawn. Another move b5 6. Okay, then king go to e2, then a5. That's why white resign, because this queen cannot go anywhere. If move like this, this queen not go anywhere. If go here, the bishop is cut like this. Go back. If go to here, the knight cut. Okay. If go like this, the knight cut. Okay. If go here, the pawn will be cut. Okay. Now queen is wrapped right now. If move like this and bishop come here. Now wrap the queen. That's why white resigned this. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 3. We can go now chapter 4. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 4. Why black resign in 7 moves? Let's start with e4, king's pawn opening, d5, Scandinavian defense, e cross d5, knight f6, d4, bishop g4. Okay, then bishop go to e2, white bishop. Okay, then queen cross d5, then bishop cross g4, bishop cut the bishop, and queen e4, and we will check. Okay, then black the check with white bishop, then queen cross g2, then bishop f3. Now so many attack white bishop, because if move like this, no, if move like this is cut, if move like this is wrong, if move like this, the bishop cut the pawn, and again the wrap the rook. That's why black resign in 7 moves. Okay, this is chapter 4. We can go now chapter 5. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 5 in Scandinavian defense. Why black resign in 6 moves? Okay, we will see. e4, king's pawn opening, d6, Scandinavian defense, knight c3, white knight, d cross e4, then knight g6 and queen d5. Okay, then c3, if cut, e goes d3, then beautiful move of white, bishop cross d3, then if cut like this, bishop queen cross g2, the queen is wrapped right now, another move, bishop e4. Now this queen cannot go anywhere, because you can see he cannot go this line, he cannot go this line, he cannot go this line, he cannot go this line. Okay, that's why queen is wrapped, black queen is wrapped right now. If cut like this, the knight cut the queen. Okay, that's why black resign in 6 moves. Okay, we can go now last chapter, chapter 6. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, this is chapter 6. Why black resign in 8 moves? Okay, let's start with e4, d6, e cross d5, knight go to f6. Then knight c3, knight cross d5, bishop c6, knight cross c3, queen f3. Okay, we will see what's happening going to be. Another move of black, e6, then queen c cross c3, then knight c3, knight f3, then h6, bishop b5. Okay, that's why black resigned this. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.